Thank you. Ayan, so guys, we're here now at the Park Triangle Mall. Sobra ang random ng araw na to. Just want to go here kasi ini-grocery ako. And also, ang nangyari kasi sa akin this week ay nag-split off ako sa work. So, feeling ko walang nangyayari sa rest day ko. So, I wanted to go here because gusto ko maghanap ng mga matcha ingredients and also I want to have lunch. So, this is one of the matcha places pala I go to here at the Park Triangle. Masarap dyan. Very authentic yung matcha nila. Right now, what I'm going to do is lunch lang ako dito sa Signal. Hello po. For one lang. Oo. Sige. Thank you. Hello po. They really gave me a good spot kasi siguro they saw na may hawak akong camera and mag-vlog ako. So, nandito ako sa bandang dulo ng restaurant here. So, nasa corner ako ng restaurant which is really a good spot. I like it here kasi nga nakita siguro nila, na-realize nila magvi-video ako. And sinabi ko din sa ate kanina when she told me na I'm going to be seated here. Nagustuhan ko kasi nga magvi-video ko today. Gusto kong mag-vlog lang ng rest day ko. So, let's check the menu. Well, guys, if I'm being honest, ang craving ko talaga today ay crispy pata. So, huwag niyo ako i-judge sa o-orderin ko, but yun talaga ang craving ko. Kasi as I'm hoping that they have a crispy pata that's for one and hindi yung for sharing na isang buo. Kasi obviously hindi kayo mauubos na mag-isa lang ako, but just in case na they don't have a solo order of crispy pata, then iuwi ko na lang siya kasi nga hindi ko na siya mauubos. Tingnan natin. Ayan o, isang buo siya. So, I mean, meron siyang kasamang liempo, fried chicken, and steamed rice na. But that's for sharing obviously kasi platter siya. Maana ang daga, chili, garlic, cilantro. Parang I want to try yung scallops nila. Here, look. Ayan siya. Mukha siyang masarap. But, let's see if that's giving. And siguro order na lang din ako ng rice. Plain rice na lang para hindi ma-overpower yung lasa ng food. Tapos parang gusto ko rin itong budget. What if ayun na naman ordering ko sa isang crispy pata? So guys, I'm changing my order. I'm changing it to pinalutong na tatsa. Yun na. Hindi na ako mag-crispy pata. Baka sabihin ko. Sobrang takaw. And then, one order ng pamana ng dagat. Large din. Ay, isa lang ba siya? Okay, sige, sorry. Isa lang nun. Tapos one order ng garlic rice.
One cup.
Oo. Tapos last na lang is yung ube... Ano ba yun? Ube ko lang. Yes. Ito. Ay, ito ba yun? Ito yun, diba? Okay, that's fine. Yun po. Yes. Thank you.
Pinalutong na tadyang large. Pamana ng dagat, 1 cup.
Yes. Thank you. So, guys, I didn't realize na yung ube colada ay cocktail. Hindi ko alam na cocktail siya. So, eto siya, wait lang. Naka-label naman siya kanina as naka-label naman siya dito sa menu as cocktail. In-order ko siya without really reading the description of it. Tapos nakalagay dito, calamansi, summer flavors, ube, liquor, mango rum, and sugar. Hindi ko alam na may alak siya. But, ang gagawin muna natin ay i-enjoy natin itong boy bao. Boy bao nila. Ayun, let's try. That's guys, naisip ko pala kanina. I'm not sure kung itutuloy ko siya kasi ang feeling ko mahal, but tingnan natin. DJI mic. Kasi there's a DJI store at SM Aura, which is very near here. Walking distance lang siya. I might go there. Kasi wala akong mic. Grabe ang mahal pala nito. Kasi hindi ko naman ito sakto naka-live yung DJI, so we're gonna check if seryoso? Ganun kamahal? Oh my gosh. 15K? Wala ba nung ano lang? Maliit lang? Parang ang mahal. I didn't expect it to be like that. Ang expect ko mga 2K lang siya max. Ang mahal. Hindi ko nila ako bibili nun. Pero tingnan natin kasi naka-live sila eh. Check. Let's check. I'm not sure kung bibili ako ngayon. Pero susubukan ko na magtingin if it's siguro ang max budget ko na lang ay 2,000. So guys, this is me saying this without any idea how much it costs. Pero tingnan natin kasi baka naman mamaya mas mura siya. I'm hoping na mas mura siya. Pero based on what I can see sa kanilang TikTok shop, it's very very pricey. And I didn't expect it to be like that kasi more than 10,000 siya. Ang mahal. So bakit ganon? Ba't ganon siya kamahal per microphone? Kasi just in case na sobrang mahal niya, I'm not gonna push for it anymore and I would try and find an alternative maybe sa TikTok or anything na hindi ganun kamahal. Kasi more than 10,000 per microphone per vlogging is just insane. So, hindi ko kukunin ko siya. Anyway, ang kulit ang langaw na to. Ayun siya, oh. Kanina pa siya dyan. Hindi. Kami lang. May lang. Thank you. Sige po, thank you. Thank you po. This one is the ano ang tawag dyan?
Pinalutong na tadyang.
Oh yes, thank you. Thank you po. This one is the pinalutong na tadyang. Beef yan. Beef ribs. Tapos, I wanted to try something that's seafoody. So, umorder ako na itong scallops. Looks yum. Garlic rice sa tanghali. And of course, the main event, the ube colada. This is crispy pata na biglang naging ribs. So, yun ang naging kasi let's see. Taste test. Beef ribs. Beef ribs ala sikla. Cheers! with rice. Cheers. Ayan yung scallops with rice. Nandiyan. Oh my gosh, may sili. Medyo natatakot ako sa sili. Tinanggal ko sili kasi maanghang yan. Pero, let's try. Let's go! Wow. Sarap. Sarap. It's very nice. Yum. Alam mo ba? I have realizations while I'm eating. And parang gusto ko siyang pag-usapan ngayon. So, ilalapit ko yung camera para medyo malapit. Ano mo na yung isip ko right now? Medyo meron akong question ngayon in mind na naglalaro sa utak ko. And I'm not sure whether for some of you guys who have been super independent over the last few years, or kung hindi man over the last few years, but like in your life most of the time. Did you ever think about hyper-independence being a little scary? Pero ako, iniisip ko ngayon, I'm enjoying my life. I think na honestly ngayon, this is so far, this is the best state of my life that I have been on ever. And I say that maybe emotionally, mentally, physically, hindi masyado, honestly, kasi tabako. So, we're still trying to lose weight. But tinamay yung order natin today. Anyway, I'm saying na very genuinely masaya talaga ako sa life ko ngayon. Yung mga friends ko minsan pag nag-uusap kami, tinatanong nila ako, ba't hindi ka pa nagjojowa? Ba't hindi ka pa, or kung hindi mo nagjojowa, ba't hindi ka nag-date? Ba't hindi ka naghahanap ng partner? Or whatever. Answer has always been genuine. Kasi, I really feel na I'm happy. Ngayon, masaya ako sa buhay ko. Hindi ako masyadong nasa-stress sa work. I get to do the things that I love with my friends, or I get to do the things that I love with my family. Whenever I need someone, ikukontak ko lang mga friends ko or yung parents ko. Kumaga, I always have someone to be with whenever I want to. But minsan napapaisip din ako, is there ever a limit or hindi hindi ko masyadong ma-put into words yung question ko, but I think to put it into a summary, up to what extent does hyper independence become acceptable? Yun yung naisip ko. Kasi ako, sa sobrang hyper independent ko ba, I live alone, I do things alone, I eat out alone, I watch movie alone, I travel alone, I go to a different country alone, I do groceries alone, my errands I do them alone. So, minsan napapaisip ako, parang nakakatakot yung hyper-independence ko sometimes. I'm not sure if because I'm a Taurus, and if you guys know Taurus people in your lives, we rarely ask for help. We only do when it reaches a certain point na parang we feel na ginawa na namin lahat. Even if alam na namin sa sarili namin na ginawa na namin lahat and we've exerted all efforts that we can, we still resort to not asking for help. We do things alone. We do things autonomously. We strive being alone. Yun. So, baka ganun dahil Taurus ako, or maybe because ang tagal ko na rin kasing not dating, ang tagal ko na hindi nakikipag-usap, hindi nakikipag-chat or ano. But whenever my friends ask me na yun, hindi ka ba makikipag-date o wala ka bang kinakausap, wala ka bang ano, ang sagot ko wala, because honestly wala. And that's okay, diba? Kasi example, ito, wala akong ang siguro nakaka-addict din sa hyper-independence and doing things alone is that minsan kasi meron din ako personally, meron din akong personality na ayokong I want to have my own pacing. Kasi may mga times na ang bagal ko. Most of the time. Parang mabagal ako maligo. Mabagal ako mag-prepare. Matagal akong, for example, when I go to the mall and bibili ako ng gamit or whatever, ang tagal kong pumili. So, having someone with you when you do the, mas iniisip ko na wag na nga. Ako na lang, gagawin ko na lang yan mag-isa kaysa gawin ko siya with someone, kasi iisipin ko pa, baka mamaya isipin ito, tagal naman ito libla o ano, ganyan. Versus when you do it alone, ikaw lang, di ba? Wala kang iisipin, mag-isa ka lang. Kunyari, ito na lang, a lot of people and a lot of my close friends were asking me before, paano mo na titiis na mag-travel mag-isa? Sino magpipicture sa'yo? Sino magaganyan? Paano kapag naligaw ka? Paano yung itinerary? Paano yung ganyan? Sino? Ano? And ako, ang laging naging answer ko ay, ako! Me! Diba? Kasi, bakit? Kunyari, pictures. Iniisip nila, sino pipicture sa'yo? Sino mag-ano sa'yo? Tripod. Sino magawa ng itinerary mo? Me. I mean, Google is free. In the world of ChatGPT, you can just easily generate your itinerary when you type Japan or ano, whatever, kung saan ka pupunta. It will be provided to you by ChatGPT or AI. So, mabilis lang, hindi ka para ma-stress. The country so far I've been to, na nag-travel ako mag-isa, Taiwan, Japan, Australia, are very much Google Maps friendly. So, hindi rin ako nahirapan na mag-ano, kasi nga Google Maps friendly sila. So, yung mga ganon, hindi ako nag-worry. Very long. Going back, tingin nyo ba, nakakatakot ba yung hyper-independence ng mga tao? And again, up to what extent does hyper-independence become acceptable? I'm not sure if acceptable is the right term, pero siguro become reasonable, become ideal, I don't know. Pero yun yung ano ko, iniisip ko. I hope it's always okay. And I genuinely hope na it doesn't impact me personally negatively. Sana lahat ng impact sa akin ng hyper-independence ko ay positive na. I hope. Is it closed? Actually, bakit ako umikot? May entrance pala dun sa kabila. Bobo lang. So, ang init guys. Ayan, ito siya. Heyday. Yan, dyan tayo pupunta. Wala akong ibang target here, kundi matcha. So, we'll see if magwawagi tayo today. So, I'm already here. Yan na siya. Tingnan natin. If meron. Ay, wala din silang available na ano. Very ano pala to. Mukha siyang ano yan. Hello po. Good afternoon. Para siyang healthy options pala. Ay, ayan o. Grapes. Ang hinahanap ko ay matcha. So, tignan natin siya. Sabi sa piece daw siya hanapin. So, let's see. Ashwagandha, ginkgo. Condiments. Green seeds, straight mix. We'll see. It's my available. Tingnan natin. Wheatgrass, barley, pangkatali. Hello. Parang wala. Mangosteen, chamomile, celery. I think ito. There you go. Yeah, and that's what we're looking for in this one also. Hello po sir, excuse me. Ito po sa akin, 200 grams po na ceremonial.
Okay lang po.
Alright, thank you.
May page po ba kayo sa?
YouTube lang po.
Bigyan niya na sir yan para follow ko.
Okay po, thank you.
So, sir, may interview po na ano na. Cutlery
Okay.
naman.
Sige po.
$200.
Ang init. Sobrang init, guys. Tinanong ako ni ate girl if meron daw ba akong YouTube channel. I said yes. Kasi, yes naman talaga. But, obviously, nasa isip ko na sana hindi ako i-follow nito kasi ang liit-liit naman ng number of following ko. So, parang hindi na para makita pa ni ate na feeling naman to si bakla. Vlog pa, tas followers lang naman. Wala pang 100. So, wag na po kasi nakakahiya. Wala pa po akong masyado followers. So, kahit po wag na, sabi kong ganyan. Thank you. Tas, nag-insist siya, sabi niya, hindi, okay lang po yun para po madagdagan yung followers nyo. Then, pinigay ko, tas pinalo niya ako right away. Now, nung ando naman ako kanina sa Heyday. So, nung kinikilo ni kuya yung matcha na binili ko, he was also asking for my YouTube channel, and ganun din yung naging reaction ko. Para sabi ko na, wag na kuya, sabi kong ganyan, nakakahiya. And nag-insist din siya na sabi niya sa akin na ipa-follow niya daw ako para din daw madagdagan yung, okay lang yan sir, ganyan, para daw madagdagan daw yung followers ko. So, alam mo yung na-realize ko na maybe sometimes you really just need to put yourself out there, and not only to put yourself out there, but a little kindness goes a long way. Because honestly, it made my day na I was just really minding my own business and recording my video nung kumakain ako sa Siklab, and nung bumibili ako ng matcha. But si ate girl from Siklab and si kuya from Heyday, they had that kindness, and they showed me support even if I'm a stranger. So, kung tutuusin, hindi naman nila yung kailangan gawin kasi sino ba ako? Hindi naman ako kilala, hindi naman ako ano. But today is really going so well. Ang bait ng mga tao na nakakasalamuhan ko so far. You know, it's just really ironic kasi earlier I was talking about being independent and, you know, doing things alone, but marirealize mo rin na there are still people out there na mag-show ng kindness sa'yo. So, if siguro kung dumating man sa future na I will be successful in this, I will look back in this video and I will also be grateful to those two, na si ate from Siklab and si kuya from Heyday, because they really showed me kindness and I appreciate that. And you know, I hope na the same kindness they showed me today will eventually go back to them 1,000 folds. Yun lang. I'm here now at the DJI branch at SM Aura here, but hindi ako makadecide kung anong bibilin ko kasi ang may available lang daw sila is a 3,990 package. This one, ayan, mic mini 2. So ang kasama daw dyan is yung pwede mo siyang gamitin for phone, and meron din siyang available na dalawang microphone charging case. So I'm not sure kung paano ba siya, bibilin ko ba siya or what, but I think maghahanap muna ako ng reviews kasi honestly hindi ko pa sure kung sabi ko nga wala akong idea kung magkano ba siya pero parang gusto ko na siyang bilhin. Oops. Ayan. So guys, nabagsak pa, buisit. So guys, we got it. The DJI Mic Mini 2. I've been eyeing these microphones for quite some time. And I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'm investing on this because this is something that I really want, and maybe a lot of you will say na bakit ka bumili niya ng mahal-mahal, ganyan, na nagsasayang ka na pera and whatever, but you know, I'm investing on this because this is something that I really love doing. Masaya ako pag ginagawa ko siya. Timalay nyo, sumikat tayo, charot, di mag-resign na tayo sa work at maging full-time content creator na lang tayo. But, you know, this is really making me happy, and ako, as long as it's making me happy, and wala naman tayong nasasagasaang tao sa ating hobby, and ano, carry lang, diba? So, ayun. Ang gagawin ko now is I'm going to Pop Mart. Kasi, just because. Wala akong bibilin, I swear to God. Kasi medyo malaki na yung nagastos natin today. But, we'll see. Okay, so guys, we're here at Pop Mart now. Wala akong gustong bilhin. Hindi tayo pwedeng masagasaan today. But I just want to look at the new Hirono collection, yung bagong plushie. So tingnan natin how they look like. I thought bago. Hindi. Same lang. Behind time. Cute naman ito. I haven't seen this before. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita. Behind time. Hirono. Ganito siya. Ayan o. Cute siya. Ayan. Ito yung gift sa akin ni Nono. Thank you, Nono, for that gift. Buti na lang yung pink ang nakuha ko because that's really what I'm eyeing for. Kasi hindi ko masyadong bet yung black, pero ayun, buti na lang siya yung nakuha ko. Wala pa ata sila ng bagong collection yung plushie. Kasi malaki yun eh. So parang wala pa sila. Tingnan natin if meron sa ibang part. We'll see. Pero right now, wala ko nakita dun sa Hirono stand nila. This is the other. Oh, this! Ito! Miss Walker! Oh my God! Super cute! Hala, ang ganda naman ito. Cute mo naman! Ay, yung green. Ito yung bet ko. Yan o, yung green. Ay, siguro ano to, secret. Miss Whopper. Hindi ko wala pa silang nito. Tingnan natin sa kabila. Kasi wala pa. Cry baby yung mga nandito. Ito yung gusto ni Jigs. Ayan o. Ito yan o. Oh. Yan na yung lumolobo. Ay, ayaw. Yan o. Or here. Ito ang ganda pala nito, purple. Cute! Ba't yung masyadong lumulobo yung kabila? Ang ganda. Wala pa ata silang available ng Miss Walker, pero check natin. This is the set that I was gonna get in Japan. Ito, pero sold out siya sa Japan sa Osaka. So, meron siya dito sa Manila pala. 600 each. Same lang ng mga iba. Same lang ng mga ibang hero. Ang ganda. Ang favorite ko dito ay yung may PC sa ulo. This one. That guy. Diba? Ang cute niya. Also this. Cute din. At ito si yung naka-cage. Grabe ang cute talaga ng series na yan. I'm not gonna buy it now. Kasi masyado na tayong marami nagastos today. But wala nang sumilip lang ako kasi parang feeling ko baka maganda yung mga ano nila ngayon. And cute. I also want to go to Uniqlo. Wala naman akong bibilin pero malay mo lang. We'll see. Ang ganda ng fit niya. Ayun o. Oh my gosh. And guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. I'm a large now. Ayun o. Ang ganda ng fit niya. I like it. Kasi boxy siya. It doesn't look so big. And it's not very long. Kasi the difference with their old design is it's very long here. Mga hanggang dito ko siya. And also I'm a large. I'm an extra large there. But for this one, large lang ako. Ayan o. Ganda. Parang ang dami nangyari sa araw ko today. I'm honestly a little tired. But wala naman tayong choice. So, let's go. Mahal lang isa nakita ko kanina, 8,000. So, tingnan natin dito kung mayroon tayong ibang mahanap. Wait lang.
Ito po.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay. Sige po. So, ano to? 3,600. Tapos ito.
Yan naman po,
3,200.
3,199. Kasi meron lang siyang dual. Kaya mas mahal.
Okay.
Yes.
Gano'n katagal yung warranty dito, miss?
1 year
Ito.
po.
1 year?
1 year warranty.
Okay.
Yes.
Sige. Sige po. Mag-check lang ako, miss.
Sige.
Balikan kita later. Thank you.
Shout out.
Ay, thank you po. Thank you po.
Alin naman ako dyan.
Sinusubukan ko pa lang para sige po. Malay mo pag sumika tayo ate, mag-resign na ako sa work. At vlog na lang ako.
Followers mo kami, sir.
Ayan, sige.
Ano ang pangalan ng plano mo, sir?
Chicks Ramos po. C-H-I-X. And now I'm going home. Palabas na ako ng mall. Bubuk na ako ng Grab. Kasi malapit na ring mag-rush hour and ayoko maabutan ng rush hour kasi mahirapan ako umuwi. So, I'm going outside now. And ayun. Salamat po. Thank you, kuya. Thank you po. I'm trying to get a ride going home. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-move it kasi ang dami kong dala. And it's also very hot. So, I hope makapag-book tayo agad ng Grab pa uwi kasi or ng ride pa uwi kasi nga medyo magra-rush hour na and sana hindi ako maabutan ng rush hour because it's going to be very difficult na magbiyahe sa C5 ng rush hour as you know. So, I'm very happy kasi naging successful naman and naging very productive ang araw na ito. Just like what I hope. So, thank you kasi marami akong naganap today and nabili ko naman yung mga kailangan bilhin and nabili ko yung mga goals ko na bibili for today. Nakabili tayo ng matcha, nakabili tayo ng mic, and nakabili tayo ng induction. Nakakatawa kasi yung induction ang pinakahuli kong pinagdesisyon na nabilihin, eh, yun ang pinaka dapat priority ko for today. But anyway, na-achieve naman natin siya, so that's what's important. Thank you so much guys for spending my rest day with me. I hope you like this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!